餐厅英文会话
English for eating out at the restaurant. Good evening, fine dining restaurant. May I help you? Fine dining restaurant. How can I help you?
I'd like to make a reservation, please. I'd like to make a booking, please. I'd like to reserve a table, please. Can I book a table, please?
Yes, for what day, please? For which day and for what time?
It's for Sunday the 10th at 5 o'clock. Can I make a reservation for tonight? Can I make a booking for Wednesday? Do you have any tables available this evening, please? Do you have any times available to make a reservation for tonight? Do you have any times available to make a booking for this Friday?
What time would you like the booking for? And for how many people, please?
Can I reserve a table for dinner for 2 at 7:30 on Wednesday, July 5th? Can I book a table for 6 o'clock tonight? I'd like to book a table for 4 for tonight at 6 p.m.
I'm sorry, madam. I'm afraid we're fully booked. I'm afraid I don't have anything available for 6 p.m. I'm sorry, but we aren't gonna have any tables until 7:30. Is that okay?
No, I'm sorry, but that's too late. Thank you.
How many in your party? How many people will be in the party?
There will be 4 of us.
Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking?
I'd like a table in the non-smoking section, please. I'd like a table by the window if you have one.
What's your name, please?
Lin. William Lin. My last name is Lin. L-I-N.
Thank you, Mr. Lin. See you this Wednesday at 6.
I'd like to cancel the reservation I made for this Wednesday under the name of Lin. Can I cancel the booking I made for tonight under the name of Lin, please?